Hey everyone, Charlie Corbett here from Kellysport Marina, walking you through a brand new Bennington. It's a 2026 Bennington 25 QFB Arch. Beautiful boat. Love the blue. I'm just a blue fan, so with this med blue, or it's ocean blue, with that blackout package, just blends it very well. Then the upholstery inside as well, it's a clean look. So going through the boat, like I said, it's a Q series, so all fiberglass in front. You've got plenty of storage up here to put fenders, lines, all that good stuff. Full seagrass throughout the whole boat. You've got a table that pops in and out, in-floor storage underneath. Then you got the port bench option on this side. Then nice wraparound seating in this boat in the aft with a ski pylon and a lily pad ladder. Very easy to get in and out of the water. This is powered by a Yamaha 300 horsepower engine. Perfect power package for the lake. Does have the folding down arch that folds down if you have a height issue. Then on the helm, you've got a large display, shows your miles per hour, RPMs, battery, all that good stuff. Then on this side, you've got your lighting, your speakers, your sound system on that one. Then you've got a 12-inch Garmin screen over here as well. So this is a perfect setup for boating. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call. This does have the upgraded sound system as well. But if you have any questions, 573-348-4700, or catch us online at www.kellysport.com. Happy shopping, everyone.